Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm going to share to you my entire vintage bag collection. Yes, I am such a lover of vintage bags, especially the 90s Chanel, guys. I am so in love. That is why for today's episode, I'm going to share to you my entire Chanel bag collection. It's small, but I do love them so much. I'm going to share to you, of course, if I could find the prices and links, definitely I would be linking it on the description box below. Some pros, some cons, what I love, what I don't love about these bags, and of course my recommendation. So if you are thinking of purchasing a Chanel bag, definitely check out the vintage Chanel bags of the 90s, definitely. So I'm inviting you all to stay tuned and watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please guys, help me reach my 5,000 subbies this year. I would really appreciate it. Also like, share, and leave a comment down below. And follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so let us begin. So the very first vintage Chanel bag in my collection. So this is not my first one, but it is the vintage Vanity bag. So here she is. So let me give you a spin. So this is the front. Material is made of black patent leather. So this is the front, side, back, then the bottom part. So this is the top handle. So this is mainly used as a vanity bag, but you know me guys, I love converting a good vanity bag, and of course make sure that I use them well. So I have attached a D-ring on top of this one, and of course I have attached a crossbody strap, a chain strap, so that I could wear this one as a crossbody like this, or even I could wear this one as a shoulder bag. So this one, I really do love this vanity bag. So let me just give you take a look. So this is like this one that is showing already the wear and tear at this part of the bag over there. And then let me just show you the opening of this bag. So this is the opening of this one. So this is my very first purchase of a pre-loved vintage bag from Japan. So she also comes with the sticker and of course the card. So I really do love this bag. Unfortunately, let me just close this one. So unfortunately, as much as I love this vanity bag, this is my least used vintage Chanel bag in my collection. It's not that I don't love her, anything like that. Maybe it's because every time that I would be wanting to carry a Chanel bag, I would be choosing from the other three that I have that I'll be sharing to you in a while. But this one, maybe I need to bring her out more, especially during the rainy season here in the Philippines. So I'm sure everyone is familiar that if your bag is made of patent leather, it's very easy to take care of, especially for example, water drips, rain or rain shower, definitely your bag would be well protected because you could wipe it off very easily. So this one, actually, she may look very little, so let me just give you a small comparison. So this is the Nice BB by Louis Vuitton, so they're almost the same size. You could actually fit all of the essentials. Me, definitely guys, whenever I'm carrying this one, I could fit everything that I need here. And I was so surprised, I was able to fit my makeup, my two phones, and I was able to fit in my umbrella, and of course a folded t-shirt. So because she has a little bit of give, so the bag could expand a little bit. If I would be recommending to you guys getting your vintage Chanel vanity, definitely yes. So aside from this one, there is a north-south configuration. Actually, that's what I'm eyeing for right now, especially for example, you would be getting a Caviar one. Definitely that would be such a good vintage Chanel bag. Alright, for next Chanel bag in my collection, it is this one. So this is my God, I've kind of forgot the name guys. I'm just going to put it on the screen. So this is actually not a vintage bag if I'm not mistaken. So because this came with the sticker and the card, so I think she was made around 2010 2012, because I'm sure you are guys familiar with the perforated collection As you can see, so up close, she has the timeless CC logo in front, and the leather is like it's made of metallic lambskin leather, and it is perforated. So this is the back part. This is the bottom part. I am loving this one because you could carry this one as a clutch like this. Insert your fingers like this. And then once you open, so made of leather, then of course made of fabric. So she has zipper compartment. This one, guys, I am so in love. This is actually, to be honest, guys, just look at her. She's very soft, very malleable. This is one of my most used Chanel bag in my collection. Can you believe it? And the reason for this one is because mostly whenever there are evening parties, fashion shows, I love carrying this one because one of my power color is metallic. So anything metallic, metallic gold, metallic silver, definitely it catches my attention. And of course, as you can see, since this is a seasonal bag from maybe 2010, 2011, so she is very rare. So as you would notice, she is nothing like her classic Chanel flap scissors, but definitely every time that I'm carrying this one, I'm getting lots of compliments. And also, guys, I do love how I carry this one. So it's like the 90s. So she has this chain over here, and you could carry her as a shoulder bag, and she has enough space so that, you know, you would not really smoosh her like this. And actually, even smooshing her like that, it would not damage the bag because this bag is very, very soft. Of course, guys, the size of this one, if I'm not mistaken, this is 26 centimeters. So definitely it houses all the essentials that I need, even two phones, power bank, my makeup essentials, my card holder, and everything that I need definitely would fit in. So that's why every time I'm carrying this one, I'm having such a blast. I'm having such joy because, you know, I'm just putting it here at my shoulder and then just having fun at the parties that I'm with. And of course, you know, she's sparkling, she's silver, she gets lots of attention from, you know, all the Chanel lovers out there. So what do you think of this one, guys? I think her name is Rodeo Drive, if I'm not mistaken. Again, I'm going to link everything on the description box once I could find them on the pre-love market. So just in case you are interested in purchasing of the bags that I currently own. Alright, so the next beautiful vintage Chanel bag that I have, it is my Chanel vintage full flap bag. Color is beige clear. So full flap, as you can see. So this is the front. So the flap is the entirety of the bag. So she has this very beautiful 24 karat gold hardware CC turn lock. So this is the side. So the back, she doesn't come with any pocket over here, but once you open, that is where we're going to see very beautiful multiple compartments. So we have one tiny or thin compartment here, and then this is the main compartment. So she has zippered compartment slots, and we have a lipstick slot over here. So this one, guys, unfortunately, I hate to say this one, as beautiful as this Chanel full flap bag that I have here, this is also one of my least used Chanel bag in my collection, next to my Chanel Vanity bag over there. And the only reason, guys, that I rarely use this bag is because I still cannot get over the fear of color transfer of this bag, because in my entire Chanel bag collection, I think this is the most expensive one that I got. Yes, even though she is vintage, she is still very expensive for me. That is why I really want to, you know, maintain the condition that I received this one. So again, I purchased this one pre-love from a Japanese consignment store. I was so lucky because when this one arrived, she is in perfect condition. She doesn't have any color transfer. And of course, for authentication, I had Zico authenticated this bag. I love carrying this bag if, for example, I am carrying light outfits like maybe white or beige. I would be carrying this one. And of course, she houses everything that I need. So a Max phone would fit in. Of course, my iPhone 11 Pro would fit in. Of course, again, she is a not like the classic style of Chanel. So she's very different. For me, makes this bag really, really special. I love a vintage Chanel bag. The hardware is 24 karat gold plated. So if we're going to zoom in or like this, as you can see, she is still really, really gold. The strap, although one con of this bag, so there are no grommets. So it's like a Chanel wallet on chain configuration, but she has holes on the side. So she has like, how do I show this one? As you can see on the side, so this is where the strap is attached. So, which is better because I think one of the con of the wallet on chain, that's why I'm not really wanting to add that in my collection, is because the attachment of the strap would be here, and I've noticed on one of the older Chanel wallet on chain, there is like a tenting over here, or this one rises as you, because of course this is where the strap is placed. So this one doesn't have that issue. As you can see, she is still in very good condition. So I think I just need to use her more. So I have two solutions for me. So number one, use light colored outfit, because mostly I'm wearing blacks and gray, so maybe I need to design myself, you know, light colored outfits like lighter grays, beige, and maybe white, so that I could use this more. And of course, I just need to get over my fear of color transfer. Do you have any suggestion, guys, how I would be able to protect this bag? Honestly, guys, I also am not really a huge fan of spraying my bag against color transfer, because I'm afraid that spraying a very beautiful lambskin leather may have an effect on this very beautiful Chanel bag. But nonetheless, guys, yes, she may be one of my least used vintage Chanel bag, but definitely she's never ever leaving my collection because how gorgeous this bag is. What do you think? Alright, so my last but not the least vintage Chanel bag. So I told you guys I have a small, very humble Chanel bag collection. And this is the OG, my very first Chanel bag in my collection. And it is the Queen. It is Chanel number 1. My vintage horizontal flap bag in patent leather. Yes, guys, so this is her. So I believe, if I'm not mistaken, the year of production of this one is 1996. I purchased this one pre-loved during the pandemic. Funny story was, you know, during that time I was really craving to add a Chanel bag in my collection. I was just waiting for the right bag at the right price. I just woke up one day and I saw this one from our pre-loved online shopping here in the Philippines. I chatted with the seller, we had a good deal, and voila, the rest is history. So here she is. Let me give you a closer look. So this is the front, patent leather. So she is very rare. The flap is not like the vertical one, it's the horizontal flap with 24 karat gold hardware over here. The back, so she has this lip pocket over here. Then we have, of course, two grommets side by side for this strap, so you could wear this one as a crossbody like this. And of course, you could wear her as a long shoulder bag, or even as a crossbody bag. Then of course, full leather line, guys. So this one, as you know, I had also an accident with this one. I kept this one in a very humid place in my room upstairs. She was damaged, but luckily when I brought her to a good Dr. Leather here, they were able to re-glazed. Actually, no, I'm not really sure of the process that they did. They did not do anything. That they did not recolor this one. They did not re-glaze this one. They just did their magic and they were able to bring this back to life. So I was so lucky because during that time, again, this is very expensive for me when I purchased this one. And since this is my first Chanel bag, I really wanted to have her on my collection forever and ever. Luckily, they were able to grant my wish, and here she is. This is like how she looks like from the day that I got her. What do you think, guys? Of course, I think the size of this one is around medium to large. So definitely, I love using this one because it houses all the essentials that I need on a daily basis. I could wear this one whole day and I won't have any issues. And of course, you could wear her multiple ways. You could shorten the strap. You could wear her as a top handle. You could wear her as a shoulder bag. I love carrying her as a shoulder bag like this because it looks very chic. But for like, for example, days wherein I want to be more casual, then I'm just going to pull on the straps. Then I love carrying this one as a crossbody so that my hands would be free. So to be honest, aside from, so this would be the silver one. This is my most used Chanel bag. And of course, this is number 2. Of course, guys, yes, she is already vintage, but still, just like with beige clear over here, I still would want to keep her and maintain her in a good condition. That is why for parties, I think this one, and of course for a whole day event, this is the number 1 Chanel bag that I would be going for. So definitely, This one is also available in other materials, like for example with lambskin, with caviar. Again, if I would be able to find on the pre-love market, I would be linking on the description box below. And of course, guys, the reason why I do love a vintage Chanel bag, because I'm sure everyone is already familiar that the quality of vintage Chanel bags are uncomparable. Just look at her. So she was born 1996. Like also this one, she was born around 1996. And their condition, guys, their condition are so beautiful. The leather are still amazing. Lambskin leather, patent leather. The 24K gold-plated hardware, guys, is still yellow gold, which again, I do love the 90's Chanel, you know, yellow gold hardware. That is why, guys, of course, the price, you cannot beat the price. Yes, it's still very expensive, but of course, comparing it to the, you know, the prices right now of Chanel, it's so crazy high. I'm not really sure. I don't think in my life that I would have the guts to purchase a brand new Chanel bag because of the sky high prices. I would rather go with, you know, maybe a pre-love Chanel bag, or better, a vintage Chanel bag. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? If you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a number 5 emoji for Chanel. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramirify2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!